Hi friends, welcome to this 10-minute yoga stretch for hips and hamstrings to help you release tension and improve flexibility in these areas. We will begin in a comfortable cross-legged seat. Ground your sit bones down, place your hands on the knees and begin to circle your torso over the legs. Leaning forward to the side, back and to the other side. Slowly making the movement bigger and bigger, feeling the stretch around the hips. Maybe it's on the outer hips or inner thighs, everybody is different, so just pay attention where you feel it in your body. Change direction and make a few more circles to the other side. Moving at your own pace, you can move as fast or as slow as it feels good in your body. Bring your body back to center. Stretch your right leg out to the side and pull your left foot in towards your groin. You can keep that right foot flexed or pointed, whatever feels best in the body. It might give you a slightly different stretch. So experiment with both positions. And then lean the upper body forward. You can stay on your hands or lower the forearms down if that works. And then stay for a few breaths, breathing in through the nose, out through the nose or through the mouth. Now walk your hands towards your right leg, your straight leg. Hold the ankle or shin and reach your left arm up and over the head into side bend. Add in a bit of upper body side stretch and slightly different sensation in the hips. Take one more full breath in, full breath out, and release. Bring your right leg forward out in front of you. Cross your left foot over the right knee and then bend your bottom leg so you bring your chest and left shin closer towards each other. You can stay here in seated pigeon variation or lay down on the back and interlace fingers behind your right thigh or shin for a reclined pigeon, a slightly deeper stretch. Find the pose that works well for you today and stay there. Breathing in, breathing out. Slowly release your position. Come back to seated. And let's do the other side. Straighten your left leg out to the side. Pull your right heel towards the groin. Sit up nice and comfortable. Check if you want to flex or point your left foot. And then when you're ready, lean forward. Find a position where you feel the stretch in the hips. And again, stay on the hands or lower down to the forearms. Notice if this side feels exactly the same or slightly different to the other side. Moving into side stretch, hold your left ankle or shin and reach your right arm up and over the head. One more cycle of breath. And release. Bring your left leg forward, cross the right ankle over the left knee, and just like on the other side, stay up seated or lay down on the back for reclined variation. Just one more breath in pigeon. And then slowly release. If you were doing a seated pigeon pose variation, lay down on the back now for our last pose, reclined butterfly. Bring the soles of the feet together, open the knees out, and find a comfortable position for your hands. You can keep them on your belly, thighs, or alongside the body with palms facing up. Notice the belly rise with the inhale. And with exhale, imagine releasing the tension from the hips, creating space in the areas where you feel restriction. One last breath in, full breath out. Bring your knees together, straighten the legs, reach your arms up overhead, take one more full body stretch. Then roll over to the side and press yourself up, back into cross-legged seat, just like we started. Close your eyes for a moment. Inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. And gently open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you notice the difference in your hips. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!